Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review Kisonic. Kisonic is a crypto earning website that claims you can earn Bitcoin or USDT by mining. It says you just need to click a button daily to generate income and you can increase your earnings through referrals. It promotes itself as easy, passive crypto income without investment. Now let's do a reality check. First, the mining system is fake. Real crypto mining requires powerful machines and electricity. But Kisonic only requires clicking button. This is not a real mining. It is just a simulated earning system. Next, it is a very new platform. The website has been created recently, and new platforms like this often do not last long. Because of this, there is a high risk of disappearing suddenly. After that, there is no company transparency. There are no real owner details, no company information, and no verified background. Trusted platforms always show who is behind them, but this one does not. Then, the earning model is referral based. The main income depends on inviting others, and without referrals, earning are almost zero. This makes it a pyramid-style earning model. Another issue is a withdrawal uncertainty. You may see earnings in your dashboard, but actual withdrawal success is unclear or inconsistent. Many platforms like this do not pay users in the long run. Finally, there is no proper support. There is no reliable customer service. So if your money gets stuck, there is no one to help. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.